Finding the best fishing gear can be such a long task, especially since you have to pick through many choices in the market. Fish Finally is here to make your job easier. We've put together this list of the 10 best choices. We've tested each and every one of them to really make sure you're getting the best. Our list of recommendations carry only the best products of the bunch and give you a clear idea on key features. To know more about each of these, you can always check out the links we've put in the description box. Let's dive in.
Kayak paddles are some of the toughest gear on Earth. A kayak paddle must be strong enough to cram into a rock or push off a dock, with the performance to move a heavy fishing kayak quickly and efficiently. Our guide video on the 10 best kayak paddles has all the choices you could hope for. We've included quite a few types of kayak paddles, so pay attention and pick the one best suited for your needs. If you are using any of the kayak paddles, then what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments.
Up next, we have a great mid-range model that would give you a satisfactory result all around.
Number 10. Naviskin Kayak Paddle. The kayak paddle from Naviskin comes in a variety of bright colors. This paddle and variety of sizes make it possible for a wide range of paddlers to use comfortably. With a combination of lightweight and sturdiness, the Naviskin can withstand long days on the water. This kayak paddle is made of corrosion-resistant aluminum. It features a high-impact handle and molded blade. The length of this blade is 18.5 inches and 7.5 inches in width. The lightweight design allows the user to travel a greater distance with less fatigue. There are extra pieces of the gasket on one side of the paddle to better your hand grasps it, and the surface is slip-resistant. The duck palm arc blades help reduce the resistance of getting into the water and help pull water with more strength. It has a 3-locking position system that allows you to customize the paddle to fit your needs. Number 9. XGEAR Aluminum Kayak Paddle. If you are looking for an easy, convenient, and cost-effective solution for your day-to-day fishing needs, then the XGEAR Aluminum Kayak Paddle will be a helpful one-time solution for a longer period. This aluminum kayak paddle features 2-piece aluminum construction for easy storage and compact travel. It has feather-shaped blades that are made of marine-grade materials. The length of this blade is 18.5 inches and 7.5 inches in width. It also comes with an ergonomic gasket on one side for a nicer grip and no slip control. It also features 3 locking positions. It allows you to adjust the feathering angle between 0 and 60 degrees. The paddle has an enforced push-button connection. It is easily adjustable for both left and right-handed operations. The drip rings help to keep your hands dry. Number 8. MSC Kayak Paddle. Are you searching for the best kayak paddle? This MSC kayak paddle can be your best choice. It is the perfect entry-level kayak paddle for paddler use for performance, recreation, touring, or even on whitewater. This kayak paddle features an anodized aluminum shaft to increase corrosion resistance and wear resistance. The shaft has 3 offset angles so you can adjust it to your desired paddle angle. It has low-angle blades that are made of high-tension plastic. The blades offer a great combination of performance, durability, and affordability. It helps you have a great time. This kayak paddle comes with a 3-button snap ferrule design. It allows you to adjust the feathering angle between 0 and 60 degrees. The length of this paddle is 86 inches. It comes with a 2-piece construction for easy storage. There are 2 size options for you to have a right and comfortable paddle. Number 7. Leader Accessories Kayak Paddle. The kayak paddle from Leader Accessories can be your best choice. It features simple two-piece construction, which is more than enough for the average user. The attraction of this Leader Accessories kayak paddle is its three-material shaft. It has an aluminum shaft, carbon shaft, and fiberglass shaft. The two-piece construction paddles are easier to store and more portable, saving space. It comes with PP blades. The length of this blade is 18.5 inches and 7.5 inches in width. The diameter of the tube is 30 millimeters and 1 millimeter thick. This kayak paddle comes with an enforced push-button connection. It has 3 locking positions that allow for being adjusted to 3 angles respectively. It is a creative water-resistant ring design to effectively prevent the water from flowing down along the shaft tube and getting into the kayak. It helps reduce the resistance of getting into the water and helps pull water with more strength.
Let's start the ball rolling with the best budget option that will not skimp on any desired features.
Number 6. Overmont Kayak Paddle. If are you searching for the best kayak paddle, then look at the Overmont Kayak Paddle. It is one of the best kayak paddles on the market. It is a great choice for you. This kayak paddle is often seen among the best-rated kayak paddles. Overmont's design goes a bit further. Everyone likes these products, which are as close to perfection as possible and which also raise the bar in terms of offering the user a bit more than the average alternative. This Overmont kayak paddle offers a better diversion effect. It is constructed of two-piece heavy-duty aluminum alloy material. The paddle has a feather-shaped blade with double serrated teeth edge design. The curved blades also work in favor of the user. The small curvature helps reduce resistance. This kayak paddle comes with 3 locking positions. It has a hollow aluminum shaft tube. It can well keep the paddle floating on the water. The package includes a paddle leash. Number 5. Pelican Aluminum Kayak Paddle. The aluminum kayak paddle by Pelican is a fun and exciting water sport. This is a kayak paddle that offers lots of opportunities for family adventures. Also, the kayak paddle has a long history. Eskimos used them 2,000 years ago for fishing, hunting, and transportation. This Pelican aluminum kayak paddle comes with 2 sturdy pieces of aluminum construction. It has an impact-resistant fiberglass reinforced polypropylene feathered blade that is designed for great durability. It also has adjustable drip rings to help keep hands dry for a better grip. This kayak paddle is designed with an enforced push-button connection with 0 or 65-degree angle adjustment. The length of this paddle is 89 inches. It is perfect for your trips on the water. The shaft goes from a rounded shape to a slightly oval shape, which serves as a reference to where you should be placing your right hand. Number 4. Attwood Heavy Duty Kayak Paddle. If you are looking for the best kayak paddle, then look no further than the Attwood Heavy Duty Kayak Paddle. It is one of the best kayak paddles on the market. This kayak paddle can be used for fishing, camping, relaxation, adventure, exercise, and exploring nature. As with any adventure, it is important to have the right equipment. One of the most important pieces of equipment for kayaking is the paddle. This Attwood heavy-duty kayak paddle is constructed of thick aluminum and rugged plastic. It is lightweight and provides durable performance. It comes with a 2-piece breakdown design. It is ideal for both storage and transport. This kayak paddle has drip rings for added comfort. They prevent water from sliding onto your grip. It also has an asymmetrical spoon blade that increases your stroke efficiency while reducing blade flutter in the water. It was engineered and built with a never-fail attitude. Number 3. SeaSense Kayak Paddle. Are you searching for the best kayak paddle for your ordinary use? Try not to stress. Here is the best kayak paddle sitting tight for you. The SeaSense kayak paddle is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. It makes certain to carry a grin to your face. It is a great choice for you. The SeaSense kayak paddle is a great recreational paddle for all skill levels, including beginners. This paddle is 84 inches in length and the shape of the blades gives you more maneuverability. Also, it comes with two-piece construction to make it easier to carry and store. The foam rubber grips make it comfortable for long days on the water. The drip guards minimize the amount of water splashing into the boat while you paddle. This paddle also has 3 position adjustments to accommodate the arm lengths of almost anyone in your family.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Oceanbroad Kayak Paddle. The Kayak Paddle by Oceanbroad is one of the best kayak paddles on the market. This kayak paddle comes with a high-quality aluminum alloy shaft and fiberglass reinforced PP blade. It has a 1.1 mm shell thickness. The material combination ensures a stiff and durable kayak paddle at a better price. It's a perfect choice for starters and intermediate kayakers. The oar shaft is designed with a shrinking PE tube cover. It provides a better grip for your hands to prevent blistering. The length of this kayak paddle is 230 centimeters. It's an ideal kayak paddle with a moderate length for you and your family. It's also detachable in 2 sections, so you might carry it around and put it away easily. This kayak paddle comes with a free bungee paddle leash. It helps secure your paddle to your kayak, especially when you want to lay down the oars and stop by a little bit to enjoy great views around. It also comes with 3 locking positions for different kayaking angle preferences. The drip rings at 2 ends help stop water from flowing from the blades. So, the shaft and your hands won't get wet easily.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. Intex Boat Kayak Paddle. Do you need the best kayak paddles for your regular fishing trips? No pressure. This Intex Boat Kayak Paddle is the best answer to your concern. The kayak paddle is a standout amongst other kayak paddles on the lookout. This 3-position feather adjustability paddle from Intex can be combined to make an 86-inch kayak paddle or used separately. The lightweight and durable aluminum shaft offers better control and requires less energy. It has a ribbed spoon-shaped blade for maximum performance. It is great for Intex inflatable boats with oar locks. You will have these oars put together and ready to hit the water in no time. It is easy to assemble and retain a ring, which will hold them in place on your boat's oar locks. It helps reduce the resistance of getting into the water and helps pull water with more strength. Thanks for watching. Hope you have no doubts about the 10 best kayak paddles on the market. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a suggestion in the comment box if you think we can do better.